everybody. I'm Devana.
And I'm Rick.
Thanksgiving is a good time to catch up with family and friends. You'll have some downtime, but also remember, it's a good time to prepare for the end of the semester.
Tip number 1, assess where you are academically. Are you struggling to grasp a complex topic? Are you worried about passing your finals? Or do you need help formatting a research paper?
It's okay to be overwhelmed with those types of issues. But good news, BGSU has great resources on campus for you.
Visit the Learning Commons website to view times for tutoring on specific subjects, resources for math and science, and information on academic coaching. You can also find tips on how to stay organized or strategies for taking tests.
Remember, you can always contact your faculty, your program, or academic advisor for help and suggestions.
Tip number 2, stay engaged. Set some time over break to catch up on readings and past assignments. Start preparing for your finals by getting organized and reviewing past class material.
So tip number 3, get your financial plan in place for spring semester. Make sure that you understand exactly what is inside of your financial aid package. You may need to contact the financial aid department. They can help you with loans, scholarship information, and understanding exactly what is inside of your package.
And for our last tip, tip number 4, be present in the moment. When you're with friends and family at home, be with them, be in that moment. And when you're focused on your academics and studying, be focused on that as well.
Thanksgiving can be a hectic time, so we hope that you make the most out of the tips that we gave you today. And remember, we have a couple more for winter break to come.
In the meantime, to stay on track, enjoy your time at home. And don't eat too much turkey.